guys, last day in Santa Barbara. It's a bit of a shame because we've really enjoyed this place, but we're firing up the V8 Mustang and going back down to Los Angeles for one more night and then the flight home tomorrow. So we're staying at the Hyatt Regency, which is a different hotel that we originally planned, and that's in Long Beach. So hopefully that's going to be nice. And that's what we've got to do today. So yeah, I'm going to go down for some breakfast in a bit and set off shortly. So we'll see you when I get there. We managed to make it all the way down the Pacific Coast Highway. It was just great. Everything I hoped it would be. Anyway, we've come back to Redondo Beach, where there's another cheesecake factory. So we're going to get a nice salad here, a bit of lunch. So yeah, I'll see you after that. Salad was immense, absolutely stuffed. Sorry about that, Ross. I can hear him shouting at me now. Oh. Sorry, Ross. I won't do it again. This is so cool. Now just heading back to the Pacific Coast Highway, heading for Long Beach. To stay at the Hyatt Regency, I think it's called. But yeah, this is immense. This is what dreams are made of. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. Hey guys, right, we made it finally to the Regency Hotel in Long Beach. It's a lovely hotel. It's the massive lobby area. And I'm looking out right onto the front of Long Beach. I'll show you a picture of that now. It's fantastic, all full of glass. Anyway, managed to get here okay. We're going to have an early night because we've got a long day tomorrow to get home. Part of me is looking forward to it, but I have had such a good time. It's been brilliant. Many boxes ticked on this one. So without further ado, I will bid you farewell and I will see you guys in the next vlog. If you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you've not, give it a thumbs down. I'll understand. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.